In today's video, I'll show you how to take a quick screenshot on Windows 10 using simple keyboard shortcuts. The fastest way is pressing the Windows key and Print Screen together. Your screen will briefly dim and the screenshot is saved automatically. You can find it by opening File Explorer, going to Pictures, and then opening the Screenshots folder. If you want to copy the full screen instead of saving it, just press the Print Screen key. This copies the screenshot to your clipboard and you can paste it anywhere using Ctrl+V. To capture only the active window, press Alt plus Print Screen. This takes a screenshot of the window you are using and copies it to the clipboard. For more control, press Windows key plus Shift plus S. This lets you select a specific area, window, or the entire screen, and the screenshot is copied instantly. And that's how you take a quick screenshot on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.